गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुस्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ಓಂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟದು ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಮಗೆ? ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಯಣಾದೇಶ ಸಂಧಿ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಮರ್ತು ಹೋದಾಗಪ್ಪ. ಇದೇ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೋ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರೋದು? ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಪಂಡಿತರು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 10 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ, ಈಗ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ಇತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದಿ, ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕಂ, ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏಕ. ಅತ್ಯಂತ, ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾ ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ ಕೇಳಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಭಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಉದಯ, ಇದೇ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಅಭಿ, ಭಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ, ಉ ಇದೆ, ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ. ಈಕೆ ಯಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಊಕಿ ವಾ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಗುರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಜ್ಞಾ, ಈ ಉ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? ವಾಗಿ ಗುರ್ವಾಜ್ಞಾ. ಗುರು ರ ಇದೆ, ವ ಉ ಇದೆ. ಗುರು ಅಂದರೇನು? ರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಉ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವ, ರ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಗುರ್ವ ಆಜ್ಞಾ, ಗುರ್ವಾಜ್ಞಾ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೇದಾಂತ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ? ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯ ನೋಡು. ತೃಣಾನ್ಯತ್ಯಶ್ವ, ತೃಣಾನಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ತೃಣಂ ತೃಣೇ ತೃಣಾನಿ. ಅತ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ತೃಣಾನಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅತ್ತಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ತೃಣಾನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ತೃಣಾನ್ಯತ್ತಿ, ಯ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಯ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಯ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅತ್ತಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇರ್. ತೃಣಾನ್ಯತ್ತಿ. It affects throat. Does it affect? I'm asking. No, you don't know. Okay. Yeah, pain hoita. Otherwise it is giving pain. So, trunanyatti.
तृणानि
Atti plus Ashvaha. Atyashvaha. Both the places same. Split it and translate.
तृणान्यत्यश्वः.
Split it.
तृणानिहि.
ತೃಣಾನಿಹಿ ವಿಸರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ತೃಣಾನಿ.
ಫಲಾನಿಹಿ ವಿಸರ್ಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ತೃಣಾನಿ ಇಸ್ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ಬಹುವಚನ. ಫಲಂ ಫಲೇ ಫಲಾನಿ. ಫಲಾನಿಹಿ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್?
ತೃಣಾನಿ ಅತ್ತಿ ಅಶ್ವಃ.
ಓಕೆ.
ತೃಣಾನಿ.
ದೆನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಅನ್ವಯ. ಅಶ್ವಃ
ಅಶ್ವಃ
ತೃಣಾನಿ ಅತ್ತಿ. ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇದು ಜಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿವೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲವಾ? ಬಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೇಟರ್, ಪುಟ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ವಯ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಶ್ವಃ
ತೃಣಾನಿ
ಅತ್ತಿ. ನೌ ಯು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್.
ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಸಸ್.
ಈಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಏನು? ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್. ಗ್ರಾಸಸ್ that is a Sanskrit style, but grasses, grass, there is nothing, no difference. But probably he means various kinds of grasses. Therefore he is calling grasses. Okay. Next.
Yatir deham munchati. Yatihi deham munchati.
Okay.
Ascetic leaves the body.
Ascetic leaves the body. Okay. So, Sandhi is known already. Yatihi. Yatihi is well known to us. So, Yatir it becomes. Okay, Deham Munchati. Deham is what vibhakti?
Deham Dvitiya.
Dvitiya ekavachana. ದೇಹವನ್ನು. ದೇಹಂ ಮುಂಚತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಮುಂಚ ಧಾತು. ಮುಚ್ಚ ಧಾತು. ಮುಚ್ಚ ಧಾತು ಆರನೇ ಗಣ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಗಣ, ಷಷ್ಠ ಗಣ. ಮುಚ್ಚು ಮುಂಚ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಬಿಡಾಲಂ ತಾಡಯತಿ ಪುರುಷಃ.
ಬಿಡಾಲಂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಿಡಾಲಾಂ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್?
The man beats the cat.
ಇದು ಪದಚ್ಛೇದ ಮಾಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್.
ಬಿಡಾಲಾಂ ತಾಡಯತಿ ಪುರುಷಃ.
This is the word. Vidalaha is Punlinga. Vidalaha, cat, Punlinga. He gives them in alphabetical order. So in case when you are translating, you come across a new word whose meaning you do not know. If you want to search in the same chapter, you can see it is in alphabetical order. Bidala, you can see the ba. There you will find it. Bidalam stadayati. Okay, so since it is masculine, bidalan means dvitiya bahuvachana. That means many cats. Many cats as a dvitiya vibhakti is an object of the verb. So bidalam tadayati purushaha. Purushaha is the subject. A man, tadayati beats cats. Many cats. Many means plural. 3 or more than 3. So here there is a special sandhi. What is the sandhi? When na at the end of a word like this, when such a na followed by cha or cha, ta or tha, or ta or tha. These three contexts. Okay, when na followed by cha, cha, ta, tha, ta, tha, what happens to this na? It changes to, one is anuswara and visarga. In Panini, there are number of steps, but it becomes too complicated. Therefore, for the beginners, he is giving a shortcut, swallowing those mathematical steps. So this na directly changes to, see, one anuswara. Anuswara means, ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಚುಕ್ಕೆ
ಅನುಸ್ವರ.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅನುಸ್ವರ.
ಓಹೋ, ಅನುಸ್ವಾರ. ಓಕೆ. ಅನುಸ್ವಾರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಸುನ್ನ. Sunna is anuswara. So that is anuswara 1, anuswara and visarga. So anuswara remains. Anuswara doesn't undergo further change, but visarga undergoes change according to the following consonant, which we have studied already. Visarga followed by cha cha, what happens?
Sa.
Changes to sha. If visarga followed by ta and ta, changes to sha. If visarga is followed by ta and ta, it changes to sa. So here you see three things. Anuswara remains, but visarga changes to this. Okay. So here, bidalan tadayati. Take this example only. Na followed by ta. That means the third condition. Here first na changes to one anuswara and visarga. Visarga changes to according to ta.
Sa.
Then how do you pronounce? Bida, la. Anuswara is la, la nalla. When you put the dot, how do you pronounce? Lan or la?
La.
La, la, la. Nasalized la.
Nasalized.
Nasalized la, I am telling. La is different from la. La. See the difference? La and la. La. It is a la, not ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಡಾಲಾಂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಡಾಲಾಂ, ಬಿಡಾಲಾನ್ಸ್, ಬಿಡಾಲಾನ್ಸ್ ತಾಡಯತಿ. Okay, instead of that, you can say bidalam. Then stadayati. Sa, ta join together become sta. So what happens? Bidalam stadayati. See the form? Bidalam stadayati. Bidalam stadayati. Ma is also there, sa is also there. And where is another example? Naran, when you say, plus cha, when you put it, naran becomes one anuswara, that is a dot, and also visarga. Visarga changes to sha. Therefore, naranscha, devanscha, like that. Devanscha, in that thing, when you split it, devan plus cha, remove the sha. Sha changes back to visarga. So visarga is because, in fact, sha can be dropped totally. When you split it, when bidalam stadayati, when you split, what happens? You retain this dot into na, and sa you remove. When you go back, when you split the sandhi, what happens? See, bidalam stadayati, how do you break it? You make bidalan one side, tadayati another side, in between sa you remove. Bidalan tadayati. Join it, bidalan stadayati. Naranscha. Naranscha. When you say naran plus cha, naranscha, like that. Okay. So Bidalam Stadayati is a special usage here. So a Purusha, a person beats, a man beats the cats, several cats. Okay, next sentence. Next sentence.
Graham Pravisham. We enter the house.
Pravisha, read again.
Pravishamaha. We enter the house.
Okay, next.
Rama sees tigers. Ramo Vyagdhan Pashyati.
Correct.
Horses bear.
This as Sanskrit structure of the sentence. According to Sanskrit rule, the words can be jumbled. They need not follow the same pattern. Rama Pashyati, another Vyagran. Vyagran Pashyati Ramaha. Anything you can change. Vyagran Pashyati Ramaha. Atava Rama Pashyati Vyagran. Atava Ramo Vyagran Pashyati. Depending upon the following letter, whether Sandhi means a Sandhi Karyam. That means Sandhi Karyam means what to say that? Sandhi Karyam. Sandhi means a joining. Okay, a joining letter. A new joining letter occurs or not, comes or not, depends upon following letter. Following letter means what word you are going to use. Like this, words can be changed. Next sentence.
Horses bear the treasure.
Horses bear the treasure. Bear say ke horses is a plural. Where do you put yes?
Horses bear the treasure. Ashwaha kosham vahanti.
Bear means carry. Ashwaha kosham vahanti. Ashwaha visarga can be, no, kosham ka is there. Therefore visarga is not dropped. Then kosham vahanti, there is no sandhi. Kosham vahanti only. Okay.
A wise man ascends to heaven.
Buddha ellide. Have you studied?
Buddha.
But why do you bring a new words which are non-existing words?
Buddha swargam arohati.
But in this chapter we learnt prajnaha also. Prajnaha swargam arohati. Buddha athava prajnaha swargam arohati. Okay.
Sandhi. Buddha swargam arohati.
Buddha ಮಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು.
Buddha swargam arohati.
Okay.
Lions devour elephants.
Devour.
Simha gajan adanti.
Devour is in fact swallow. Devouring means swallowing. But we have not learned the devour. So devour means here we take it adanti or bhakshayanti. Bhakshayanti we have learned in this chapter. That also you can use. Otherwise you will forget it. That we have not used it at all. Bhakshayanti. So simha gajan bhakshayanti. Atava gajanadanti. If adanti is used, gajanadanti. Na akara joins with na. Gajanadanti. But if bhaksha is there, gajan bhakshayanti. Like that. Lions, simha gajan. Ali visarga can be dropped if you want. Okay.
He counts the fruits. Phalani
Ganayati. So he, that person, he or she, we don't know, he or she, phalani ganayati. Next.
The ascetic goes to a forest. Yatihi aranyam gacchati.
Yatihi aranyam gacchati. Here sandhi is possible. Because visarga preceded by e. Therefore yatir. It can become. Sandhi is, in a sentence is not compulsory. But you can use it. So yatir aranyam. Join it.
Yatir aranyam.
Gacchati. Yatir aranyam gacchati. Here aranyam gacchati, when you say aranyam, if it is end of the word, end of the sentence, you have to say ma or vowel. Either end of the sentence or if it vowel is there, you can retain ma. Or if there is a consonant, then it may become anuswara, and that anuswara changes according to the following consonant. Here gachati is there. Therefore, this anuswara changes according to that. What happens? Aranyam gachati. Because it changes to the nasal of that varga. Corresponding ga belongs to kavarga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Therefore, aranyam gachati. How do you pronounce it? Aranyam gachati. Aranyam gachati. Like that. Okay.
The warrior discharges 2 arrows. Yodha Sharau Shipati.
Correct.
Yodha Sharau Shipati.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಷಿಪಂತಿ ಏಕೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷಿಪತಿ.
Did you write ಕ್ಷಿಪಂತಿ?
No, Swamiji, Shipati only.
Do you put full stops to the Sanskrit sentences?
No.
ಇಡು ನೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಏಕೆ మరి ಇಡು full stop.
Swamiji.
That's why I am not seeing your notebook. Therefore, I don't know how you are writing the letters. Probably you write, kshipanti, and for to please me, people say, I have seen most of the people, only to please the teacher, they write something, pronounce something else. Adenappa kshipanti and kshipati. For sake of me kshipati, but they retain kshipanti. Probably you are retaining kshipanti. Because no, then 2 times, why did you say kshipanti?
Swamiji, Shipati only, not.
You write it, then why do you say 2 times kshipanti only? When I asked kshipanti Allah, yes, kshipanti, matte kshipanti. Then he must have written. Otherwise, why do you have to pronounce that wrongly? So, write something and pronounce something. And then just to please me, they say something. But in the notebook, they retain the mistakes along. People learn out of fear, not out of love for knowledge. Learn out of fear of teacher. Those who have fear, they can never learn. You should have the love for the subject, not for fear of teacher. Okay.
God.
Sentence again.
Yodha Sharau Shipati.
Discharges ki 2. Yodha Sharau Kshipati. Athava innondide. Kshipati instead of Kshapati. Instead of Kshipati, there is another varma. You use that. Use that.
Fourth conjugation. Swamiji, Asyati.
Say first orally say.
Yodaha Sharau Asyati.
Now, if you can you, is Sandhi possible? Any Sandhi possible? Say.
Yodha Sharau.
Yoda, you leave it next Sandhi node. Later you can do that.
Au and
Asyati.
Swamiji, Adesha.
What Adesha?
Au.
What does it? Change it.
Au followed by Swamiji, Ava, Au.
Changes to what? Av. Then if you substitute a.
Sharav.
Sharav, correct. Now join Asyati.
Sharavasyati. Sharavasyati.
Now you first word.
Yodha Sharavasyati.
Yodaha Sharau Asyati. First Yodaha Sharau, Yodha Sharau. Sharau plus Asyati, Sharavasyati. Sharavasyati. Now the complete sentence. Yodha Sharavasyati. Yodha Sharavasyati. Split it. Yodaha Sharau. First Sandhi. Sharau plus Asyati. No, Sharavasyati split. When split becomes Sharau Asyati. Yodaha Sharau Asyati. That way. When we are learning Sharau plus Asyati, Yodas mele concentrate. Eke, you simply write Yodaha, you leave it. When you are learning the Sandhi here, why attention on the other one? Yodaha, you leave it. Sharau Asyati, Sharavasyati. After learning it, mastering it, then come to the Sharau, Yodaha plus Shar. That's why I told you to split it into 2 parts. Yodaha Sharau one part, Sharau Asyati another part. ಯೋಧಃ ಶರೌ ಯೋಧಶರೌ ಶರೌ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯತಿ ಶರಾವಸ್ಯತಿ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಟು ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಟು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೋಧಃ ಶರೌ ಯೋಧಶರೌ, ಶರೌ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯತಿ ಶರಾವಸ್ಯತಿ. ನಾವು ಶರಾವಸ್ಯತಿ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಯೋಧಶರೌ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಯೋಧಶರೌ ಶರಾವಸ್ಯತಿ, ಯೋಧಶರಾವಸ್ಯತಿ. Like that it has to be done. Okay, next.
God protects men. Naro janan rakshati.
ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಗಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನರನ? ಗಾಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನರನ?
God ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಶ್ವರ. ಈಶ್ವರಃ ಜನಾನ್ ರಕ್ಷತಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಶ್ವರಃ ಜನಾನ್ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಈಶ್ವರೋ ಜನಾನ್ ರಕ್ಷತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ವಿ ಎಂಟರ್ 2 villages. ಗ್ರಾಮೌ ವಿಷಾಮಃ.
ಗ್ರಾಮೌ
ವಿಷಾಮಃ.
ವಿಷಾಮಃ.
ಎ ಸನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಪುತ್ರೋ ಜನಕಂ ಪ್ರೀಣಯತಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಜನಕಂ, ಪುತ್ರೋ ಜನಕಂ ಸಂಧಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಜನಕಂ ಪ್ರೀಣಯತಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಮೆನ್ ಈಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಟೈಸಸ್. ನರಾಹ ಕೂರ್ಮಾನ್ ಭಕ್ಷಯಂತಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಭಕ್ಷಯಂತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅದಂತಿ. ಹಾಂ, ನರಾಹ ಅಥವಾ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ನರಾಹ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಪುರುಷ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್. ಪುರುಷ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನರ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ನರ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಸೊ ನರಾಹ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಪದ he has not taught us. He should have taught it. Probably he thought it's a difficult. Therefore he is using nara only. Naraha kurman bhakshayanti, kurmanadanti. Okay, next.
Monkeys ascend trees. Kapayo vrikshan arohati. Kapayo vrikshan arohati.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನೋಡು ಕ್ರಿಯಾ.
Monkeys.
ಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡು ಮಂಕೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಕಪಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಪಯೋ ಸಂಧಿ ಅದು. ಕಪಯಃ. ಮಂಕೀಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕಪಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಏನೋ? ಮಂಕೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕಪಯಃ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಲೋನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪದ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಂಧಿ ಬರುತ್ತದ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪದ ಬರುವಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಸಂಧಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪದ? ಮಂಕಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಪಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ಕಪಿರ್ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿಸರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಕಪಿರ್ ಎಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಪಿಹಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಪಿರ್ ಎಂದಿಡಬೇಕಾ? ಮಂಕಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಪಿರ್ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ? మరి ಈ ರಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪದ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳು ಅಂದ್ರೇ ರಾ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕಪಯೋ ಅದೇನದು? I think I cannot teach you. Okay. If you want to blind teaching alone, ಬರ್ಕೋ. ವಾಕ್ಯ ಓದಾಗ once again.
Monkeys ascend trees.
ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ, you read whatever it is. I will correct blindly and go. You read first.
ಕಪಯೋ ವೃಕ್ಷಾನ್
ಆರೋಹಂತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋ ಸಾಕು. You don't need to learn. ಆರೋಹಂತಿ ಬರೆಯು. Go ahead. I thought you will learn. You want to blind what you call ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹಾಕಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರ್ಕೋ, ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಾಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಡು ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
He asks the servants. ಕಿಂಕರಾನ್ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
They wash their feet. ಪಾದಾನ್ ಪ್ರಕ್ಷಾಲಯಂತಿ.
ಪಾದೌ. ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 ಪಾದಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಪಾದವು ಪ್ರಕ್ಷಾಲಯಂತಿ.
The 2 fools drinks poison. Murkau visham pibataha.
Correct.
Kings punish thieves. Nrupastenan dandayanti. They arrange the books. Pustakani rachayanti.
Correct.
You eat cooked rice. Odanam attha.
Correct.
His friends remembers Rama. Mitrani Ramam smaranti.
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ತೆಲುಗು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಓದಿದವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಮ್ಮೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡರ್ಟಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಫೆಲ್ಲೋಸ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸೇ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಫೆಲ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ವಿ ತೆಲುಗು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಫೂಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಏನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, next sentence.
People praise their kings. Jana Nrupan shamsanti. Wise men lead people. Buddha Janan nayanti. I understand the truth. Tattvam bodhami. The Vedas praise the sun. Vedaha Suryam shamsanti. The father calls his 2 children. Janakaha putrau ahvayati. Fools censure wise men. Murkhaha budhan nindanti.
Murkhaha
budhan. The king speaks to the warriors. Nrupo yodham vadati.
ನೃಪಃ ಯೋಧಂ ವದತಿ. ನೃಪೋ ಯೋಧಂ ವದತಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಇಕಾರಾಂತ ಶಬ್ದದ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿ ಶಬ್ದನ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್, ಹರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹರಿ, ದ ಹರಿಂ ma added, just as in ramam it becomes harim. Ika dvitiya vibhakti is same like prathama hari. Ika there prathama vibhakti bahuvachana was harayah, then but the dvitiya vibhakti in case of Rama it was Raman. So here he says na, the hari becomes long and na is added. There it was un was added or na was added. What was that?
Swamiji, as.
Asalla. For द्वितीय nominative. द्वितीय ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಆಫ್ ಬುಧಾನ್ ಕಿ ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈನ್ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈನ್ ಆಡ್ತದೆ. ರೀ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್, ಪಾಣಿನಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹರಿಂ ಹರಿ ಹರೀನ್, ಹರಿಂ ಹರಿ ಹರೀನ್. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, we don't need to learn anything separately because prathama vibhakti rupa alone constitutes dvitiya also. Vari varini varini, vari varini varini, same. So only dvitiya vibhakti say once hari, no, harim hari hareen.
Harim hari hareen.
Correct. Next see the vocabulary. He gives some vocabulary. Now first atithihi, guest. Love. Atithim. First prathama and dvitiya both say.
Atithihi.
Atithi.
Atithihi, atithau.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾದರೆ ಹೇಳು. ಅತಿಥಿ
अतिथिः
ಅತಿಥಿ
अतिथि
ಅತಿಥಯಃ
अतिथयः
ಅತಿಥಿಂ
अतिथिं
ಅತಿಥಿ
अतिथि
ಅತಿಥೀನ್
अतिथीन्
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಧಿಪತಿ
अधिपतिः
ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಯಜಮಾನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
अध्यक्ष
ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಅಧಿಪತಯಃ
अधिपति अधिपतिः अधिपति अधिपतयः
अधिपति
अधिपतिं अधिपति अधिपतीन्
ಓಕೆ ಓದುದೆ
अली
ಅಲಿ
अली अली अभी
ಸೇ ದ ರೂಪಾಸ್
अलिम अली अलीन
ಓಕೆ ಕಲಿ
कली a strife quarrel sorry
ಸೇ ಓ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲವಾ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
समझिಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ
ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಂ
कलिम कली कलीन
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
किरी a board किरिम किरी किरीन बलि an oblation बलिम बली बलीन
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
भिक्षुका a beggar भिक्षुका भिक्षुकां भिक्षुकं भिक्षु भिक्षुकं here it is भिक्षुका becomes it is not in ikaranta
ಎಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Sanji, what to do? Bhikshuka.
ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಂ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕೌ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಾನ್
Sanji. Bhikshuka. Mani, a jewel. Manim, mani, manim. Ravi, ravim, ravi, ravim. Shashi.
ರಾಶಿ
राशि राशि राशिं राशि राशीन् वायस वायसः वायसौ वायसान्
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
विधि विधिं विधि विधीन्
ವ್ರೀಹಿ
व्रीहि व्रीहि व्रीहीं व्रीहि व्रीहीन्
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
सारथि सारथिं सारथी सारथीन्
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಷಲ ಈಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಧಾತು ಪ್ರಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಉಪಸರ್ಗ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಷಲ ಧಾತು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಷಲ ಕ್ಷಾಲಯತಿ ವಾಷಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಸ್ washing. For that pra upasarga is added, but even with pra it means only washing. Kshalanam prakshalanam means the same, not no difference in the meaning. Therefore kshalayati here we learn, what we learn extra here is pra, extra. Remaining is same. Prakshalayati, prakshalayataha, prakshalayanti. So meaning is washing. Next gana. Gana count we have learnt. Same ganayati, it is a 10th conjugation dhatu. Aya is a gana pratyaya. Ganayati, it is the same. But here we learn only extra meaning. Earlier there was only counting was the meaning. Now considering. Considering or caring for. Pariganisuvadu. Lekkaki tagolluvudu. So caring for or to care for or to mind. ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಗಣಯತಿ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸುವುದು ಆ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಗಣಯತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಿ ಕೇರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. Minding means he takes interest in it, he cares for it. Caring for minding is same. So ganayati is additional, meaning is additional. In the root there is no difference. Root and the form is same, only meaning is extra, another meaning is added. So what we are learning extra here is another meaning is added. Sometimes he does like that. The root which we already have learnt, he adds a little more meaning, that's all. Okay, da yacha, da has got a special substitute, is called yacha. So yachati, like gachati, it becomes yachati, prathama gana dhatu. Yachati, yachataha, yachanti. Yacha means to give. To give or offer. In English there are two things, giving and offering. Giving is directly giving. Offering is I am asking you to take it, means I made it ready for you to take it. You may take it, you may not take it. Giving means just giving alone. Offering means we just offer. See the difference. But in Sanskrit, yacha or danam means both, giving and offering. Both the meanings are implied in Sanskrit, only one word is there. One word means both. That's why, since we have no separate word for offering, giving itself implies both. Therefore, our fellows have borrowed offer only. Therefore, they say he offered it. He gave it ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಏಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಆಫರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತರ್ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಟ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿ ಬಾರೋ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಿ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆದರ್ he accepted or not is different, but he has offered. But in Sanskrit, danam means offering and giving, both is there. Okay. Okay, next is Nanda. Nandaki, abhi upasarga if is added, abhinandati. Abhinandanam means rejoicing or liking it. Abhinandati, he likes it or he feels happy with it. Rejoicing means he feels happy with something. So Nandati is prathama gana dhatu only. Nandati, nandataha, nandanti. So abhinandati, abhinandataha, abhinandanti. Ni nayati we already have studied. Ni nayati. For that he is adding the a upasarga. When a prefix is added, it becomes anayati. Anayati. So anayati means brings. Nayati takes away. Brings. Anayati brings. So nayati nayataha nayanti, it is anayati anayataha anayanti. That is the difference. When a upasarga is added, the meaning becomes opposite. Like gachati agachati. Similarly, nayati and anayati. Anayati, he brings it. Ramaha pustakam nayati. Athava innondu another person, Gopalaha pustakam anayati. Like that. He brings it. Somebody takes it, another is brings. Okay. Now next is Sru. Sru Sarati we have already learned. Sarati means to moves it. For if you add the anu upasarga to it, anusarati means to follow. He gives the meaning here, anusarati, to follow. Now one avyaya we have learnt. Avyaya is a na, only simple na letter. Na is generally used along with the kriya, not added like a prefix. Nakara is not added to the, like a prefix to na gachati means na is not a prefix to it. Na is a separate word, but it written separately, na gachati. Gachati na we don't say. Hindiyalli nahi jata hai we say. Jata nahi we don't say. Similarly, na gachati. Gachati na. Some people you say gachati na. These are all style, I don't know how they picked up this. So gachati na, probably English nindalo I know. Not gachati na. Na gachati. Na is a separate word, not a prefix to it. Na gachati. So similarly, that is a one avyaya. That avyaya is a what you call adverb, it is kriya visheshana. Therefore na gachati, it goes with gachati. But here api is another avyaya. This api means also. Also, or you can say even, and sometimes though, although, in that meaning also. Even, also, although. Okay. Just to give you one example, Vayaso balim bhakshayati. So same thing, Dvitiya Vibhakti, what we have learnt is using here. Only thing is a few more Dvitiya Vibhakti no, ikarantas dvitiya vibhakti he is using. That's all. But old akaranta also in between he uses. So one has to see whether it is ikaranta, akaranta. That also he uses. There is only I think one sandhi, one or two sandhis. I'll tell you. One sandhi is. Where is that? Marking ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ನೃಪತಿರರಿಂಜಯತಿ. Sa and tavarga. Sa and tavarga. Tavarga is called tu in Sanskrit. Kavarga is ku. Chavarga is chu. To indicate the entire varga, take the first letter and add u to it. Sa plus tavarga. If you join them, what happens? Stu. When this stu is combined with stew, stew means sha plus chavarga. Left side, one of the letter comes. One of these letters. One sa and 5 sta. One sa and 5 letters of tavarga. 6 letters. Any of these 6 letters on the left side, sha and chavarga. Any of these, that means it is like this. Sa, ta, tha, da, na. In fact, all these things don't occur, though he has given the rule. If this is in combination with sha and chavarga, I am not writing all those things. Any combination, what happens? This first one is replaced by the corresponding letter of this chavarga. That means sa will be replaced by its corresponding sha. Like that. So, in fact, Ramascha, just I told you, Ramas, word was a Ramas plus cha. The sa, visarga first changes to sa. Sa changes to cha by this rule. Stu, in fact, Panini calls this, if you write it in English, it becomes a big paragraph. The writing is explaining is difficult. Panini made it a shortcut, stos chunas chuhu. Stu followed by stew becomes a stew. That's all. This becomes another stew. Stew combined with stew followed by it becomes a stew. That's all. This is simple and easy. Here in this particular example, ta. Tasmat keliddiya? Tasmat plus cha. When you say this ta changes to corresponding that chavarga's letter. Ta tasmat cha, it becomes a double cha. This ta goes away and cha comes, and cha and cha already there. Tasmat cha, like this. Tasmad jagat. Tasmad jagat. Ta first changes to da. Da changes to the following letter is ja. So da changes to again the same ja. Therefore tasmat jagat. Tasmat jatam. Tasmat jatam. The ta changes to ja. Tasmat jatam, double ja. Like this. Tasmat cha. Tasmat jatam. Like this. Ramascha. Krishnascha. This is example. But here he is giving a special example. Arinjayati. Okay. Na belongs to the previous one. What is that? Stu. Sakara and tavarga. Ja belongs to the chavarga. So combination is okay. Then what happens? This changes to the corresponding letter of this following one. Following is chavarga. Chavarga's nasal is what? Na. Therefore, arin jayati, when you join sandhi, what happens? Arin jayati. Arin jayati. Sam plus jaya. Sanjaya. It becomes Samjaya, we don't say Sanjaya. Sanchaya. So So therefore, arinjayati. This na changes to nya. Arinjayati. Sanjaya. That's why we don't call samjaya. Sanjaya. Like that. So that is one sandhi. Second sandhi is giri arohanti. Okay, if I tell this thing, and sandhi will be over. We'll close with this. Giri arohanti. When dvivachana, like Hari Shabdas, dvivachana comes e, and u also, dvivachana u and dvivachana a. These things we have not yet studied. For ukaranta shabda, dvivachana will be u. For strilinga shabda is dvivachana is a. So a dvivachana shabda, that is a dual. Dvivachana, the e, u, a. If it is followed by vowel, sandhi doesn't take place. It's an exception. Sandhi is what you call prevented. Prakriti bhava, they call it a special name. That means sandhi doesn't take place. No sandhi. Though sandhi is possible, but in this context, because if mixes of it becomes difficult, that I'll tell you later. So giri arohanti remains giri arohanti. That's all. Giri arohanti becomes giri arohanti. The Taittariya, have you studied? Taittariya Shikshavali. No, you have not studied. Okay. Okay. So giri arohanti, there yana, what is that? Yanadesha sandhi is possible. Giri arohanti doesn't take place. Giri arohanti doesn't, yanadesha doesn't take place. That means no sandhi takes place, because giri is a dvivachana, the ending, ikara. Long ikara, which is an ending of dvivachana, followed by vowel, though yanadesha is possible, doesn't take place. Giri arohanti, retain it. Now you can see giri arohanti is retained as a giri arohanti. Last but one, right column. Giri arohanti as it is retained. That's all. I think no sandhis. You can translate Sanskrit to English, English Sanskrit. That's all. I think with this Dvitiya Vibhakti over, 6th chapter we have almost finished. And then the 7th chapter we go with the Tritiya Vibhakti, 3rd Vibhakti. Okay, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tatsat. Nanna kelsa easy ಆಯಿತು.